Brandon Point coming on a breakaway scores. Lightning 1, Stars 0. In shootout, Pavelski robbed by Vasilevsky. Brandon Point save. Vasilevsky. Save! Save! Brady Dobin. Pavelski. Save! No scores! Fourth round. Save! They could win this. The Stars scores. Stars. They win the shootout.